Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the channel. My name is Craig. Some exciting news coming for the trading group, but first I'm going to talk a little bit about the Prime XBT $200 promo code giveaway. By using my link down below and leaving a comment on the video, that can get you signed up. Every Friday we will pick a winner. If the video gets over 1,500 views, then we will pick a winner the next day. Other than that, leave a comment on every video throughout the week, and on Friday you'll see we'll do a random comment pick from a random video throughout the week. Anyways, so the trading channel, it's gonna be free. It's gonna be on our Discord. The Discord link is down below. I have not opened up that trading section yet, but I will be opening it up by the 1st, hopefully next week. We may just open it up Monday, who knows, but make sure you get signed up to the Discord. And we're going to be doing a trading group. It's going to have our charts in there, our setups, our entries, our exits. Definitely come check it out. It's totally free for the month of November. And let's get into it. So we got our numbers this morning. We're going to talk about that here in a minute for the inflation numbers. What do you guys think of that? I'm really curious to see what you guys got to say about that. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here we go. CNBC, U.S. inflation rate hit 3.0 in September, lower than expected. Long-awaited CPI report shows. Wow, these numbers are crazy, guys. Let me know if you believe these numbers. Let me know what's going on in real life, like with inflation. So they're kind of talking about this 3% inflation being a good thing. Remember when 2% was the goal? It's been 3% for a long time, so it's not like inflation's going down. It's still going up at a faster pace than they wanted, and the markets love it. This is crazy. Do the markets love it, or the market's just inflated? You let me know down below. Let's get into the charts. Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. First, we're going to take a look at Dow Jones. I just want to show you guys this. If that's not a bubble, I don't know what is. I really don't. This is over here, the 2000 bubble, 2008 bubble right here, and then boom, this is not a bubble. They say it's not a bubble. It's not a bubble. It's not a bubble. Let's see what's going on with it. Let's S&P. Oh my gosh, this isn't a bubble either. It's not a bubble. Everybody's saying it's a bubble, so it can't be a bubble. It's not a bubble. This is not a bubble. And let's take a look at NASDAQ. It sure looks like a bubble, but they're saying it's not a bubble because everybody's saying it's a bubble, so it can't be a bubble. No bubble here. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So this was from yesterday's video. I told you I was waiting for the break of this. It broke a little bit in a different spot, so let's put a measured move on here. This is my first target for us to hit here. If you guys entered this trade, congrats. I'm going to show you too where my Prime XBT trade is, and I put a trade in on Bitunix also. We have a new sponsor of the channel, Weeks Exchange. So I'm getting more options. So when you join the group, you'll have plenty of options for exchanges. I'll leave all those links down below the video. So this is my first target here. Second target is going to be, and this is just from this wedge here. So if it breaks that 107.3 range, then we're going to be looking for, I don't know why this thing is being so difficult, but let's move this up here. Okay, so the second one would be around 103. And then, of course, if we go lower than that, we're breaking the lows. But as of right now, we are showing a little bit of hidden bullish divergence here. So if we do get a bounce, it's going to be here. Maybe we come back up for a retest around that 112 range and then continuation down. We'll see what happens here. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's see what we're looking at in the 4 hours. So on the 4 hour, if you remember, our formation is a falling broadening wedge, right? So looking at this, we are still sitting on our EMAs. We talked a lot about the EMAs yesterday. We got above them. Right now, we're retesting them. If they hold, we may get a 4 hour buy zone, but does that change the 1 hour sell zone? We're going to take a look at that next. But what else I want to show you is this. I think it may be time for a retest of the bottom here. If so, we could go as low as 98. Now, let's take a look at the daily. So the daily, we've talked about it, right? We had the sell signal back here. We've always talked about the sell signal coming back to retest 55, which we already done. Now, if we break, when does it get bullish here? I mean bullish, like we're gonna go up a ways. So right here, we have to break that 113. If we break the 113, we could be going for new all-time highs, and that's just going to be a measured move of the wedge. Actually, we're going to shorten this a little bit, because if we break there, right, it's going to be around 128 to 130. A new all-time high is possible, not a guarantee, if we break this 113. So that's something we'll be watching. All right, before we get into showing you what my trades are right now, my current trades, remember, leave a comment below, right? Make sure you have to smash a like, and you have to be subscribed to the channel to win. But we'll be picking a random comment every Friday from a random video throughout the week, unless that video gets over 1,200 views. If it gets over 1,200 views, we'll do a random comment pick the next day on that video. Otherwise, it'll be on Friday. It'll still be on Friday, even if we do another one during the week. But I kind of want to give back to you guys, so that is a good way to do it. So, Prime XBT trade account, right? We are still 10 Bitcoin trade short. You can see our entries right here. We are up 12,000. Remember, guys, this is a ladder position. If it goes higher, I may ladder in more. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Pretty soon, you'll only be able to see that on the trade channel. But remember, it's totally free for November. So, all right, let's take a look at BitUnix. So BitUnix, this is a smaller trade, just to show you guys you don't have to use a lot of money to trade. So this account I started, I put $200 in there this morning, I put a short right here, right? Just to get in and show you guys smaller trades. Don't forget BitUnix weeks and Prime XBT down below. Great exchanges, guys. There's more to come, I think, too, before the trade channel. But look, we're up 86%. I just put this in a little bit ago, right? I think this could go a lot higher, but we're going to follow this account. Currently, there's $200 in it. I'll let you guys know how this trade goes also with everything else. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. Don't forget, guys, join the Discord for the trading group.